Meaning of F-1 visa.
F-1 visa.
F-1 visa.
F-1 visa.
F-1 visa. The F-1 visa is a non-immigrant student visa that allows individuals to pursue academic studies in the United States. It is commonly used by international students who wish to attend U.S. colleges and universities. To obtain an F-1 visa, applicants must demonstrate that they have been accepted to a qualifying educational institution, have sufficient funds to support themselves during their stay, and intend to return to their home country upon completion of their studies. F-1 visa holders are also allowed to work part-time on campus and may be eligible for practical training opportunities after graduation.